Tired of your Looker Studio reports looking like a jumbled mess? Well, today, I'll show you how to master layer management and create visually stunning dashboards. First, open your Looker Studio report. Notice how some elements might be covering others, affecting readability. Select the element you want to adjust. Let's say we want to bring this chart forward. Go to the Arrange menu in the toolbar. It's usually located near the center. Click on it, and a drop-down menu appears. Choose Bring to Front. Watch how the chart now appears on top of the other elements. See how it pops? This brings the selected element to the very top layer. Now, if you want to send an element behind others, select it and choose Send to Back from the Arrange menu. Bring Forward moves the element up one layer at a time, and Send Backward moves it down one layer at a time. Use these for finer control. Experiment with these options to achieve the perfect visual hierarchy and create professional look. Easily understandable dashboards. Now go forth and create some amazing reports.